People say they're waiting nearly 2 weeks for test results. Other people getting them in 2 or 3 days.
So what's the difference here? CBS 2's Carolyn Gusoff reports.
Every day, just waiting and waiting. And each day it was told that it's longer.
When she first felt symptoms, Long Island interior designer Jill Shields was told her COVID test results would be back within a week.
So now we're up to 10 days. They told me they ran out of the reagents.
Reagents are the chemicals needed to process the samples taken from people, now in short supply. That, combined with a flood of demand, has commercial labs here and around the nation buckling under backlogs.
We are seeing an increased demand for these types of tests because kids are going to camp, kids will be going back to college. Parents need it for work clearance.
Dr. Christina Johns of PM Pediatrics says 2 days turnaround time is now up to nearly 2 weeks, making contact tracing and containment difficult.
They aren't really always all that strict and disciplined about staying on lockdown until those test results come back. And so that worries us.
National labs like Quest and Sunrise say the bottleneck is in supplies. Governor Cuomo says they're overwhelmed because other states haven't ramped up local labs like New York has, where 70% of tests are returned in under 3 days.
There are only 10 big national labs. You can't have the entire nation going to the 10 labs.
New York City also boasting a 2-day turnaround time by pooling samples, avoiding time-consuming individual tests. Hospital labs like Northwell also able to turn around tests within a day for prioritized patients.
Location does matter, yeah, and the demand matters with the increased testing and, the testing demand as it has not gone down.
But patients can't always pick where their test is sent. ProHealth's medical director has this advice.
What you need to find out is if the place you go to get tested can do the test on site or if they have to send it out.
After 12 days, Shields' test came back negative. After 2 weeks, her daughter's was positive.
The federal government or someone has to come in to help.
And it's going to get worse, warns Cuomo, when flu season hits and labs have to run those tests too. All agree a mass-produced rapid COVID test is desperately needed. In New Hyde Park, Long Island, Carolyn Gusoff, CBS 2 News.